Everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to design a beautiful charm necklace using the newest Softlex Company design kit, Book Lovers? I'll be using beads from the bead mix and these beautiful flowers. And if there's any items still available, I will leave a link down below in the description. And we'll be using the antique brass Softlex wire, and this came in the kit. The only thing I'm adding in from my collection is this little chain. And I thought it'd be really nice just kind of use like a little charm necklace inspired with the chain. So it's kind of lightweight, but you still have the charm necklace effect. Let's start creating. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also in the description, I will go ahead and leave links to the tutorials using the Book Lover design kit as well as other necklaces. This necklace, you will need a lot of 2x2s. If you're using your Book Lovers design kit, you get 20, so you'll probably need some extra. So we're going to be creating links with our Softflex wire, and we're attaching it to the chain. So I went ahead and cut some of my chain apart, so I just have the larger circles, and I will be attaching the beads to the Softflex wire and creating little connection points similar to what you would do with wire or an eye pin. So we're going to cut about 2 inches to 3 inches per length with our soft flex wire. We have our little links. So for these beads, I'm going to layer them with the little purple ones. And then these gem cut beads, we're going to layer with the pink and faceted ones. And our little flowers, we're going to save for later. So we're going to take one of our little soft flex wires, one 2x2, and one of our little circle links. So our little circle should move freely. We're going to take our pliers, go and give it a little smash, and then we're going to rotate. And this is just going to give it a more professional finish and turn it into like a little bead. We have a little bit of a tail, so we're going to trim that. So we have our first little component. We're going to slide on one of our little purple beads, the barrel, and a purple bead. We're going to slide on another 2x2 and another circle. We're going to pass back through our 2x2. And give it a pull. We want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. And we'll go ahead and give a squeeze and rotate. And we have our little tail, and go ahead and save your soft flex wire. You never know when you'll need it for another project. So we have our first little connection, and by doing it this way, it just kind of shows your soft flex wire into your design. So now from this little circle, we're going to add on one of our pink beads and then two of our little gem cuts. So we're going to pick up our 2x2, connect it to our next link, take our wire, our soft flex, and pass back through our 2x2. And also with this project being so repetitive, it's a great way to practice like your spacing and sizing. We'll give it a little smash and rotate. And we'll trim off the extra. Then we're going to slide on one of our little gem cuts. Beautiful. I think these are the starburst or sunburst beads. And another gem cut. One more 2x2. And our circle. Pass back through our 2x2. Make sure spacing is good. And give a smash. This is the pattern that we are using, and we're just going to alternate using the rest of the beads, and then I'll show you the rest of the necklace. So we added on most of our beads to our necklace. And then on this last link, I just went ahead and attached it to the rest of the chain, and that's going to be the back of my necklace. So we already have our soft flex wire on our little connector. We're just going to string on the last few beads. Slide on our 2x2, and then we're going to connect it to this last loop. And this is a really great necklace if you want to make a couple of them, or if you have maybe a smaller necklace, this is a great necklace to use for layering. We'll just give it a smash, rotate, and we have our necklace. And it's super lightweight, and this is also great if you have any leftover beads, like a bead mix, bead soup even. You can definitely use this design for that necklace. So now we're going to use 4 head pins, and we're going to string on our flowers, and they're just going to dangle from each little loop, and that becomes our charm necklace. Our loops on our flowers, and I will leave a link down below. Softflexcompany.com has so many different color choices for these beautiful flowers. So I'm using my one-step looper, or you can use your round nose pliers. We're just going to slide in a little bead on our head pin and give it a squeeze, and it's going to give us a perfect loop. Slide in, squeeze, we have our loop. So we have our necklace, we have all our little flowers. You can either connect these with jump rings and put other beads on there and make like a little cluster, or whatever charms you would like to add on to it. And also little soft flex wire links are a little crooked. Don't worry, they'll straighten out over time when you add in your little charms. So I'm just going to open up with my round nose pliers, my little loop, and I'm going to attach it to my circle, which is basically just a giant jump ring. Just gently twist, open our loop, and close. We have our charm necklace. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. So don't forget to click down below in the description where you can see links for other tutorials as well as the products used in this video. Have an awesome day.